Hey guys, and welcome to my mini-series. For the whole month of February, I will be posting one macrame knot or knot pattern a day. Today, I will show you how to create small diamonds using diagonal double half-hitch knots. I've created one row at the top to use as an example. These diamonds use 4 pieces of rope each. Begin by tying the 2 middle pieces of rope together using a double half-hitch knot. We will now work on the right side of the diamond. Working down and to the right, tie one diagonal double half-hitch knot. Now working down to the left, tie another double half-hitch knot. Move on to the left side of your work. Working down and to the left, tie one diagonal double half-hitch knot. Now working down to the right, tie another. You will now connect the 2 sides by tying another double half-hitch knot. To keep the diamond even, the knot that I have tied at the top is leading to the right, so the knot that I will tie at the bottom of the diamond will lead to the left. Repeat this process for all of your diamonds. If you continue to create this pattern throughout your work, it can create a really beautiful design. Remember, when you start a new row of diamonds, you will need to start your diamond here to create this look. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Chantel from Lots of Knots Canada. Find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I'll be posting a new macrame knot or knot pattern every day in February.